this is the Zeus Smart Dash Cam, and it's made by Nanda, and they kindly sent this to me to put in the BRZ. It says easily record and share your trips, crystal clear HD video, smartphone integration, and automatic incident detection. So when you hook it up, it has a little sensor in it that if you slam on the brakes or somebody else hits your car, it automatically starts recording so that you have video evidence of what happened. It actually labels the videos as like emergency, and it's in red when you look at them in the app, because I accidentally had the dash cam on when I took the get off of my windshield to move it, and so it detected the movement and saved it as a collision. So those are easily found in the library of all the videos that you have taken. So it does record in 180p HD video. They do have an app for all of their devices because they make more than just the dash cam. They also have phone chargers and tire pressure sensors. And here, let me check the app and see what all they have. So this is what the app looks like, and there's a dashboard of your car, and it has everything that they offer all in one. So they have the smart car charger, the smart tire safety monitor, the smart backup camera, vehicle health monitor, and then the dash cam. So you can have multiple vehicles set up on the same app, put in all of the car's information, odometer, all of that, and it tracks everything that you need to know for your car. With the dash cam, see, I have the dash cam logged right there, and it has all of the information hooked up to the dash cam. And then obviously I'm not in the car right now, but I think I have video of it from when I was installing it. So this shows you the whole car, and then the dash cam will come up right there, and you can click on it. It won't let me click on it right now because the car's not turned on. You can access all of the videos that the dash cam has taken and all the settings for the dash cam. Plug it in through a USB hookup in your car. You do have to leave it plugged in for it to work, and it turns on as soon as you start your car and starts recording right away. You don't have to click any buttons, you don't have to do anything. The dash cam does have Wi-Fi, and you do have to hook up to the Wi-Fi on your phone in order to view all of the data that the SD card has stored, but you don't have to click any buttons for it to start recording. If it's plugged in, you just start your car and go. It can record in 1, 3, or 5 minute increments, but until you unplug it or turn the car off, it'll just keep recording in those increments. The other thing, you will need a micro SD card to record with the dash cam. I didn't know that when I first got it, so I was like, why is it not recording? I don't understand what's happening. And I had a micro SD card laying around, but it was 128 gigabytes, and it has to be a 32 or a 64 for it to work with the dash cam. So I had to run out and get one, but it was like $15, not a big deal. And it also has 140-degree wide angle lens, so captures everything that's happening without compromising video quality. It has an award-winning app. I will say the app is really easy to use. Like I said, I couldn't find the manual when I first unboxed it. The app gives you step-by-step directions on how to set it up. That was very helpful for, a stupid person like me that doesn't know how to open boxes and find things. And it also allows you to have everything all in one app instead of having 10 different apps for everything. So here's a couple of videos that I captured just messing with a little bit. if you're looking for a dash cam, I would definitely recommend this one, the Zeus Smart Dash Cam by Nanda. It's great for, like I said, emergency detection. If you get in an accident or anything like that, I'm super paranoid that someone's gonna hit me, or I don't know, something's gonna happen with this new car because it's like brand new and I don't want to mess it up. But it's also great for if, you know, you're cruising around with your friends and want to get videos, or like night drives, time lapses, if you do YouTube or make videos or anything like that, even for Instagram. I think this one is amazing quality for the price point, and it works great and it's super easy to use, so I would highly recommend it.